creators, let's do a magic trick. We're gonna learn how to put text behind a moving object in Adobe Premiere Pro. In this case, I'm gonna use one of my sister's video. So, open Premiere Pro and drag your video, then write down your text. But the easiest way to add text is by hitting T on your keyboard and clicking on the screen wherever you want. Then double click on it and go to Effect Control, and under text you can change font size and so on. After stylizing your text, go down to opacity to make mask. As you can see, there are three options: a circle, a square, and a pen tool. These are all different ways to create a mask, but in our case, pen tool is the easiest way. So I selected and I draw mask around my sister. Whenever our mask get ready, we add some change. For example, we click on inverted. Then we change mask phase. That shows how soft you want the edge of your mask to be. We don't make it too soft, so we put it on 10. Next step is to animate it. For that, I click stopwatch in front of mask path to make keyframes. Then I skip 2 or 3 frames forward. Then each time I create new keyframe by moving the mask.